Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you Logitech K120 keyboard quick unboxing and review. So let's take a look. This is my Logitech K120 keyboard box. How exactly looks like. Now I'm going to unbox this box and let me see what inside this box and etc thing. So let me try to open this box and let me see what inside this box we're getting. So I'm going to cut these two plastic, which is we can see here, and let me see what inside we're getting. After opening this box, we can see here we're getting a USB keyboard, which is full size keyboard. You can see here, and this is my keyboard, and there is inside we're getting a important safety or etc things, and nothing else is here, which is we can see here right over here. So this is my Logitech K120 keyboard. How exactly looks like after unboxing. We're getting on the left side all the keys like tab, cap, shift, control, and also we're getting a skip key, and also we're getting all function key. In the other side, right side, we're getting dial pad, number, and plus minus. Also we're getting a status bar for the caps lock and etc things, and also getting here a Logitech logo, and this is the large cable we can easily set up with our desktop computer or laptop computer. We can see the cable is length quite good, and this is very heavy duty. If you're looking for a heavy duty keyboard, that I think this Logitech will be best choice for you. You can easily use this long lasting keyboard. The back side, if we go, we can see this is the back side looks our K120 keyboard, and we can see this back side the color is different, and the front side color is black, and also we can use this two tray, which will make you to use your keyboard little bit flippy, so which will help you to type anything comfortably in your computer. So that's really quite interesting. Let's check keypad sound. So whenever we're going to type anything, it's going to appear a little sound, so you can see the test. The affordable keyboard K120 from Logitech make a perfect match for desktop, laptop, or notebook computer running Windows or Linux. The wired keyboard allows for comfortable quiet type thanks to low profile keys, a standard layout with full-size F key and a number pad. The spill-resistant design allows liquid to drain out for the keyboard in order to guard against damaging spill. The K20 has a thin profile with durable, long-lasting keys. You can achieve a customized typing angle using the adjustable legs. This affords 8 degrees of tilt motion. The key have bold, bright white charters designed for easy recognition. One additional comfort measure is the curved space bar at the bottom of the keyboard. This keeps your hands in more natural position for optimized typing comfort. To get started, you won't need to install any driver on your computer. Simply plug the keyboard into a available USB port and you can start using it right away, offering both value and economized comfort. The keyboard K120 makes a great addition to any home or office workspace. If you're looking a keyboard which will affordable for you or which is long lasting, definitely K120 will be your best choice. I buy this from local market which cost me $15. So within $15 you're getting a nice, stylish, long lasting Logitech keyboard. So I hope you really enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe.